JavaScript functions. See, function is a what here? Block of code actually. It's a block of code which is used to perform particular task. For example, previously what we did, so let me open the Sublime. I open the Sublime. So what I'm gonna give you, suppose if I want to print anything, or if I want to do any operation in JavaScript, so we are writing the code directly inside the script tag. For example, I'm declaring variable A is equal to 10, variable B is equal to 20, variable C is equal to A plus B, document dot write ln C. So nothing but I'm doing sum of two numbers. So let me open in a browser. You can see sum of two numbers is how much? 30. So like this we did, but this is not the good format of writing the logic. You know very well, we already came from Java background. We know that whenever we want to write the logics we should write either inside function or methods. So in Java we have methods, in JavaScript we have functions. So that is the reason I'm telling function is a block of code which is used to perform particular task only. So tell me, this code always performs what? Sum of two numbers. And so what JavaScript says, to declare a function, we need to use function keyword. So tell me, to declare a JavaScript function, what keyword we should use? Function keyword. And after that, we should write one function name. And this function can have alphabets. This function can have underscore. This function can have dollar symbol. Understood my point here now? Same rules like a variables, or same rules like a identifier. So underscore is allowed, dollar is allowed, alphabets is allowed. So I am giving what I am giving? F1. Tell me, can I write hash symbol in the middle? Hash symbol allowed? No. What is allowed for function name? Underscore, dollar, alphabets, that is allowed. So now what I want to do, this is my function. And what here only we should display document dot write ln. Here I am writing what here? Welcome to JavaScript. Or I can say welcome to JavaScript function. Welcome to JavaScript function. So I declare a function like this. Anyhow, this is called parenthesis. In this parenthesis, we did not write any argument. If you want to declare any argument, we can declare argument, but each argument separated with comma. Okay, sir, I declare a function. In function, I am writing welcome to JavaScript function. Refresh, nothing will come. So function will be invoked in three ways. So how this function is executing means three ways it will execute. First one, by using JavaScript code, it will execute. Second, based on event. Event means when you click on button, that function will execute. So first it will execute by JavaScript code. Second one, based on event, it will execute. Third one is known as self-invocation. Function will call itself. That is called what here? Self-invocation. So now I will give you one simple example to you. So script is there here. Inside the script only, I am calling that function. What's the function name? F1. Save. Now you see this. Refresh. This is calling through JavaScript code. We are executing that function through JavaScript code. And now what I should do? Now if you don't need this, I can say document dot bg color. Document is one object is available in the JavaScript. And what I'm taking? BG color, camel case, C capital letter. And here I'm giving hash FFFF00. So now you can see here, whenever I do this, refresh, the background becomes what? Yellow. Background color. So like this, we can call the function if you want. But sir, I don't want to call through JavaScript code. I want to call this function based on the event. So event means you need to create a button, no doubt. So let me say document dot. This is function example, something like that. What I have taken, sir? Button. But remember one point, it is button is a part of HTML. So you cannot write directly in the script. Remove. Where we should declare outside. And what is the button name I am telling? Click me. What is the button name? Click me. So see this? Refresh. What is created? Click me. So when I click, function is executing. Huh? So we need to take event. This is button, but we did not add what? Event. To add the event to the button, we should say on click event. What is the event we are using? On click. So I am telling whenever I click, where it has to call which function? F1. See this? Refresh. Click. Understood my point? Yeah, no? So function will be executed through JavaScript code. Function will be executed through event. And one more is there, self invocation. We will see later. But remember that point here. So this time, we can write the script inside head also. We can write inside head also. So see this, refresh, click. Executing or not executing? So don't ask me tomorrow, sir, script we should write always inside body. No. If you have event, you can write inside head also. But if you don't have event, then you should declare inside what? Body. Okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood about this one. And even we can say same thing, document dot. What I'm using? Camel case, BG color, hash F3, F4, 00. So refresh, click. Understood my point here? So like this, it will make it. So just only to understand that one. So we can do anything. We can do anything, sir. Just only to show you like, you know, how functions can be invoked. Understood? In how many ways we can call the function? 3 ways. But sir, one more thing is there here. When it is comes to function is nothing but what here? It's a block of code which is used to perform particular task. So tell me, it is performing particular task only na every time? Yes, no doubt. But one more point I want to tell you, sir. There are 4 types of functions are there here. You know very well. What are those? No return type with no argument function. Very good, nice. Next is what? No return type with argument function. With return type with no argument function. With return type with argument function. Remember, these 4 categories are there in every language. Don't think that array it is there only in Java and JavaScript. No. If you learn .NET, in .NET also we have these 4 categories of functions. If you learn Python, in Python also we have these 4 categories of functions. So not only in Java, C, C++ also having these 4 types of functions. So now let's see. We will focus on what here? No return type, no argument. No return type, no argument. So you can see this function is nothing but no return type, no argument only. Why? Because see this document.writeLn. Here I'm telling no return type and no argument function only. Why, sir? Why? And here I want to go for what here? Calling. How to call? F1. Tell me, can you see any return keyword? So that's why I'm telling what? No return type. Do you think that do we have any argument? No argument. So that only na. Whatever the function we executed just now, that is nothing but no return type, no argument only. Now assume that I'm giving a no return type with argument. With argument means, see here I'm taking what here? Here I'm taking A, B. So AB means here I will give 10 comma what? 20. So then I will declare variable C is equal to what? A plus B, document dot write ln what? C. So see this, refresh. So tell me, do we have return keyword? Return keyword is not there means no return type. But do we have arguments or not? How many arguments? 2 arguments. What are those? A and B. So like this we can take. Sir, I need only return type. If you need only return type, so compulsory we should use return keyword. Return JavaScript function, something like that. So tell me, this is known as what here? With the return type, no argument. But remember, whenever we have return keyword, directly we cannot call the function, sir. So what we should do? Document dot write ln. And now you can see this. Refresh. They're only calling, they're only printing. And suppose if I want to do sum of 2 numbers once again with return type A comma B, what I can say? Return A plus B. Already return is there now. What I want to return? A plus B. So here we will be getting sum of 2 numbers is. So they're only calling, they're only printing. But here we should pass the value now. 10 comma 20. 10 comma 20 means how much? 30. They're only calling, they're only printing. Refresh. Understood what is function and how many ways we can declare a function in JavaScript? Okay. Online people understood in how many ways we can declare a JavaScript function?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But one point
Yes, sir.
notice, sir. One point you need to notice. Every JavaScript function is a case sensitive. Case sensitive means, for example, you can see here, I am writing document.write ln. Let me say this is function example. And this is what. I don't need any calling. Here I'm taking just what here, F1. Tell me which type of function it is. No return type, no argument. Very good, nice. So now tell me. Here what is there here? Small f1. Here also what? Small f1. So output will come. Very good, fantastic. But tell me, instead of this, I am writing capital F1. Here I wrote what? Small. Here I wrote capital. It will call a? No, error will come. Refresh. F12. F1 is not defined. It's telling capital F1 is not defined. So this is a problem will come. And one more thing it is, one function can call another function. Function F2, document.write ln. This is function F2. And I will say this is function F1. Total how many functions? And now you can see here, I'm calling F2. And F2 calling whom? Otherwise, I will do one thing. I will call to F1. Any order is not important. F1 will call to what here? F2. So now you can see this. I am calling to F1. F1 is calling to whom? F2. New line is not coming. Otherwise, you can take which tag? Break tag. BR tag. So now you can find the both. Understood my point here now? So, okay, sir, we got an idea about the functions. So if you want to write any logic if you want to write, don't write directly inside the script tag. So declare a function inside the function, you need to write the logic. Same thing we need to do for every operation, sir. For every operation, I will give you one example to you. Assume that tomorrow you are going for an interview. Assume that tomorrow you are going for an interview. In interview, they gave you one code to you people. What is the code they have given? Assume that they have given to you. Let's say loop pattern only they have given to you. Which loop pattern? This is the loop pattern they have given to you. Square loop pattern. So assume that this is a pattern they have given. What we people did, everything we are writing inside script. Don't write inside the script. In Java also, don't write the logics inside main method. Take a separate method, write the logic, call that method. So now you can see here, if I want to write this, what we should do? We should declare a function. What is the function name? Loop pattern. So here you write the logic for variable I is equal to 1 less than equal to 4 I plus plus. For j is equal to 1, j less than equal to 4, j plus plus. If, tell me, I equal to 1, I equal to 4, j equal to 1, j equal to 4, then I can say document dot write ln. What I should print? Star. Else document dot write ln space. And here every time we should bring what here? New line. Document dot what? Write ln. What I should take? Br. And here we should call that one. Calling. What is the calling? Loop pattern, like this. You see this? Refresh. What happens? Space came up? No, space will not come directly in JavaScript. Ampersand NBSP semicolon. What we should use? Ampersand NBSP semicolon. Refresh. How many came? 1 came. So we should give 2 spaces. Enough. Now it will work successfully. Because one is for star symbol. One is for what? Space. Like that. So 2 times we should use. Because after star, we are giving some space or not? That's why. How many? 2 we should give. So now tell me, tomorrow again you need to execute same times. Again what we can use? Loop patterns. Save this. How many times executed? 2 times. So reusability achieving or not achieving? So always we should do like that only. So this is called the quality of a good programmer. So don't write directly inside the script. Don't write inside inside the what your main method in Java. So declare separate method in Java and write the logic and call the methods. Similarly, in JavaScript also, we need to write inside the what? Functions, and we need to call those functions. Understood, everybody? Online people also got an idea?
Yes, sir.
So now you can see here. I will give you, because one example I did not give you this. Function what I gave? F1. Function what here? F2. And I am calling the what here? F1. I can call anyone. Document dot write ln. F1 function. This is known as what here? F2 function. Just calling the F1. So both will execute. New line should not come. So to bring the new line, we should take what here? BR. Now it's okay. Copy. So I hope you people understood now about the what here? Functions concept. Everyone know function concept now? Online people also, you know function concepts?
Yes, sir.
Okay now.